me! I just put on deodorant even though you can't smell me through the camera. What an idiot. So this is just a vlog to say, Sarah, you're evil. I know what you're thinking now. You're going, oh, look at all this material I can use for my next bagging Alice session. So just stop quoting me. Seriously, you're annoying. Well, actually not really. It's kind of funny, but stop quoting me, Sarah. My favourite ad at the moment is, they cut it. It sucks. Now, they've changed it. There's a girl on the balcony, she goes, Romeo, Romeo, wherefore art thou, Romeo? But now they've changed it so it's like all retarded. Anyway, and then this guy turns on the light and he goes, what are you doing? It's 3 o'clock in the morning. Go to bed, you idiot. So Australian, it's brilliant. Anyway, yeah. Hey everyone, follow me on Tumblr. Link is that way. That way? That way? Oh, I don't fucking know. Yeah, I blog as well as vlog. I have some things to show you. They're dinosaurs. That my friend Priscilla drew. So here's the dinosaurs. There's that one there is called Melvin. Priscilla doesn't approve of these names, but that one's Melvin. And that one's, oh no, and then that one's cool because it has a mace on it, on its tail. It's got a weapon, everyone loves that one. That one's a Tyrannosaurus Rex. And that one's a Velociraptor. And that one's a Triceratops. And yeah, that one's Melvin. Melvin's my favourite. And the rest of them, there's one that's called Lucy and there's one that's called Oliver. But the rest don't really have names, so yeah. Yeah, so Priscilla doesn't approve of those names. And shit, what was I going to say? I love Meet the Robinsons. Until next time!